Hi, I'm Steve with LOA Construction. We're out here on a commercial project today, just checking out the final installation. This project, we had a customer that continually had leaks over and over and over, and every time we'd fix a leak, another area would leak again. So obviously, with leaking happening over and over, it was time to replace the roof. So we came out here and what we did is we removed all the rocks off the top of the existing roof. We took about 150,000 pounds off the structure to be able to give it a little bit relief from all that weight. We added a 1-inch ISO board, which added some insulation value, and then installed a white TPO reflective roof on top. What this does is it reflects the sun's heat, and it allows the customer to be able to have thousands of dollars in energy savings over the course of the life of this roof. So what was cool about this project is they called us, we came out, and once we decided to replace the roof, we were able to get it fixed and the leaks to stop for the tenants below within several weeks. Now we're just out here to inspect the final product, make sure everything looks the way it's supposed to, so they get the warranty that they deserve.
Hey guys, as always, thanks for tuning in. If you're a commercial property owner, if you're a commercial property investor, if you're just simply the property manager and you guys are suffering from some kind of pain point with your roofing system, give us a shout. We are your commercial roofing experts. We install most of the commercial roofing products. Guys, we can come out and do what we call a whole roof approach, look at your roofing system, figure out what's gonna best fit your needs for time frame, for ownership, for NDLs, for warranties. We're your guys to go ahead and do that. If you'd like us to come out, please give us a phone call up here, shoot us an email over here, check out our website down here. Guys, if you're looking for more educational material, we're all over YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. We post a ton of stuff, just educating our clients, providing a ton of information about different products. We'd love to hear from you guys. Just drop a comment, even if you just want to say hi, and we'll talk to you soon.